Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to check your RAM usage on your MacBook. This is super useful if your Mac feels slow or laggy. Right here, I'm checking my Mac's RAM usage in real time. And as you can see, it shows exactly how much memory is being used. If apps keeps freezing or your Mac slows down randomly, high RAM usage might be the reason. So first, open Spotlight Search by pressing Command and space. Then type Activity Monitor and open it. At the top of Activity Monitor, click the Memory tab. This shows all the apps currently using RAM on your MacBook. Now look at the bottom section. You'll see your total memory usage, memory pressure, cached files, and more. Now you can easily see what's using the most RAM on your MacBook. If one app is using too much memory, you can click it and press the X button to close it. Just make sure that it's not something important before force quitting it. And that's how to check your RAM usage on your MacBook. It's super helpful for checking performance issues. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.